Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will gonna show you how you can download a TikTok video without watermark. It's actually easy to do guys, just follow what I'm gonna do. But before that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start. So the first thing you got to do is open your TikTok app. And once you've opened it, now find the video that you want to download. Once you've found the video, just tap the share button. And after that, just tap the copy link button. Now that you've copied the link of the video, you can now close your TikTok app. Now the next thing you've got to do is open your Google Chrome. Then search this. After that, just go to this website. Now that you're on the website, the next thing you got to do is paste the link on this search bar. Once you've pasted the link, now tap this. Then tap this to download the video without a watermark. And as you can see, the video has now been downloaded. Now let's check it on my gallery. And there it is guys, the video is now saved on my gallery. And as you can see, there's no watermark on the video. So that's how you do it guys, it's easy right? With this, you can now download your favorite TikTok videos all you want without watermark. And so that's all for this video guys, I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.